Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A horse is a reward for a man, a screen from hell for the other, and a burden for yet another one. It is a reward for the one who ties a horse for the sake of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So he extends its rope in the garden or the pasture, and the owner will procure the reward for its grazing to the extent as far as the rope goes. And if it, after breaking the rope, crosses one or two heights, the owner will get reward in lieu of every step and excrement. And if it passes by a canal and drinks the water, though his owner had no intention to water it, even then the owner will procure reward. The second person keeps a horse just to show off his wealth and avoids asking others for need and does not forget the right of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu over its neck and back, zakat. So it is a screen, shelter for him. And whosoever keeps a horse just to show off or in the enmity of the Muslims, it will be a burden for him." When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked about an ass, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Nothing has been revealed to me in its connection except this comprehensive and exemplary verse. Then whosoever has done good of an atom's weight shall see it, and whosoever has done evil of an atom's weight shall see it." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2371.